The freaking big snakes down there. Hey, here we are. Studios. We're ready for some more action. Follow me to the studio. Yeah, I'm Seb from Sound Temple. I'm from London.
Hey, I'm Wesley. We're at Tanglewoods Studios. We're listening to Sound Temple, and it's absolutely amazing here. The vibe, the atmosphere, the lighting, it's fantastic.
We're at Tanglewoods Studios. It's the last fucking day of the radio experience. I'm music still on stage. It's gonna be number fucking one, man. And then after that, are you there? Number fucking one. And we're getting paid number fucking one. Shut up, it's a fucking hero, man. Sound Temple! It's the start of a journey to fame. Thank you to Jono, the master.
I'm Sebastian Beecroft. I'm from London. Here I am at Tanglewoods Studios. We've just finished. We've just come to the end of an awesome ride. We've done 3 amazing songs. It's more than I could have ever imagined. It's been an amazing ride. The end of a journey. 3 awesome songs. Game of Pain, Girl on Stage, Are You There? 3 classics can be played on the radio everywhere. We can only hope. Thank you very much, Jono from Tanglewoods Studios. Over and out.